Let's take a closer look at these amber glass jars. And as you can see, I purchased a dozen of them. Now these are perfect to make your own essential oils, perfumes, or any other type of liquid that you're making homemade or you want to put in a smaller eyedropper. Now these seal really good, and they do have the eyedropper, and it's very easy to use. I haven't had any problems with any leakage. This is my third batch that I have purchased, and these are perfect for travel. You can put them in your purse. They're UV protected because they do have the amber glass. So let me show you, because I do have my oil in this right now. As you can see, it's a great tight lid, okay? And the dropper works really well. That's the oil that I make. And then it seals. And it does not spill because I do carry this in my purse. So if you're looking for 2-ounce amber bottles that are leak proof, I highly recommend these.